Welcome. This is a moment of piano, a time to relax and play. This is a brief introduction to our first song, Still Skies. If you're especially new to the piano, this is for you. To go right into learning the song, please head to the link above. The aim of this video is to help you understand just a few main points about reading notes. From there, we'll keep growing our knowledge through the levels. In level chill 1, we play with only the right hand and use 6 white notes on the piano. A, B, C, D, E, and G. We'll come back to that. Let's start by finding our anchor, middle C. First, take a look at the black keys on your piano and notice the pattern. 2 black keys, 3 black keys, 2, 3, and so on. Now, find the set of 2 black keys right in front of you. Directly to the left is a white note, and that's middle C. Every white note to the left of a set of 2 black keys is a C, and we'll find a few more Cs as we move through the levels. From middle C, you can move up to D and E, or down, backwards alphabet, C, B, A. Notice that as you move up the piano to your right, you play higher sounds and the notes are written higher in the sheet music. With each next door white note, we move from line to space to line, and so on. Then, notice that as you move down the piano to your left, you play lower sounds and the notes are shown lower in the music. With each next door note, we move down from line to space to line to space. This note is G. That's because the letter names of our music notes only go from A to G and then repeat again from A. So the white note below any A is always G. We're reading these notes in what we call the treble clef. And just know for now that the treble clef, also called the G clef, circles round G. So this line is G and all other notes fall into order from there. Some of the notes are part of the set of 5 lines and 4 spaces, also called the stave, and others are all out on their own. Here they fall below the lines, but they could also appear above the lines. We'll talk more about this as we add further notes in upcoming levels. You might be wondering how we know which hand to use based on the sheet music in front of us. Because the notes of the piano move from lower on the left to higher on the right, we most often use the right hand for these higher treble clef notes and left hand for the lower bass clef notes, but we'll come back to this when we get to level chill 3, which includes the left hand. Okay, I think you're ready to head on to level chill 1 at the link above. Take it easy as you get used to the notes and feel free to replay the sections as many times as you like. See you there!